Welcome, my dear friends. It's Yuri. Today, what we will cover: weekly market forecast. I will show you best thoughts about such instruments like EURUSD, gold, oil, indexes, Bitcoin, S&P 500, Apple, Tesla. That's why it's important that you would smash like button, because YouTube will share that video with other people when they see a lot of likes. Also, right now, you write about your sound and video quality. If everything good, we will start. We will go. Also, before we will start, subscribe on my Telegram channel, because there you will get updates about news of our company, best ideas which I publish on TradingView. Also today I will choose a winner I will choose a winner who won ATR indicator for free, because as you remember, on Friday we published a lesson about ATR indicator. I hope you saw it. By the way, vote in comment. Did you see that lesson about ATR indicator which I personally use? It's only one indicator which I use in trading. And today I will choose a person who won ATR indicator for free, and today
ATR indicator.
Also, I will answer on all your questions which you have about trading, about all different stuff. That's why, my friends, let's go. Let's build the process. Because market today really interesting. And okay. I will answer on all. Quality of video is really good. Hello Yuri, my name is Asad from Pakistan. Hello Asad. My friends, right now write into a chat about quality of sound video. Also write questions which you have about trading and what instruments would you like me to analyze. After that we will start it. We wait additional 2 minutes before we will start our practical part, market analysis. I will choose a winner who won ATR indicator for best comment. Hi Yuri, how are you? I'm good. I just came back to Kiev 1 hour ago. That's why I didn't prepare the best for this stream, but still we will do it. Okay, my friends, it's a lesson about ATR indicator. If you didn't watch it right now, save this link, because it is only one indicator which I use in trading. All reasons why I do it here you will find in description. Who would be the winner? The main question, who would be the winner? It's all comments, as you can see, and we should find a winner. And to be honest, okay. I remember this pen ready. If you see me, I remember that you hello from Israel. Yes, hi. By the way, about Israel, as you can see, my friend, when I had a birthday, they made this gift to me. I always have it nearly me. I'm not Jewish, but still, sometimes I wear it when I analyze market. Bro, please make a video on patience in trading, how to control emotions. You will control emotions first when you have strategy and you believe in it. Second, you trade your lot size, because when you trade, for example, you know how to handle 10 USD risk per position, but you trade with 500 USD risk per position. Doesn't matter what you will do if you will not trade your account, your volume, your money size. You will have emotional imbalance. That's why what you need to do. You need to build strategy which work and in which you believe. Second, you need good risk management, because when you will have more experience, maybe you will do different risk management, and still, even with bad risk management, you will be able to make money. But at the beginning, for a start, you need to know how to protect yourself. Okay, I think I will choose two persons today. First one, it would be ready. This man, I would give I would give a free HR indicator for him because I saw him many days. I saw that he watched nearly our every lesson and write a comment about it. And second one, I think it would be Ardiani. Ardiani, you won. Ardiani, I would reply to you that you won. You would be the second man. I would send to you ATR indicators. You should use this contact below the video and write to my team. You will get it for free. Okay, how your USD natural gas? Can you please analyze gold, please? Okay. Okay, my friends, I think we should start because as you saw, I chose winners, and at this moment, first we would analyze silver because I have silver on a list. At this moment, as you can see, price nearly hit this level. It depends what will be the reaction. About silver, I have it on a list for buy. I hope when it will do this breakout of this level, it will do a retest. Oh my god. About silver, I have it on a list and I would like to open buy. Just seconds. About silver, as you can see, after this accumulation, huge accumulation, price made powerful down drop. That it was too much, it was too fast. At this moment, I think silver will continue its uprise, and let's open it on one screen. But what is the main problem? Main problem is that it's already rose up 72% of its ATR today. What I expect if it would be the best condition, if at this moment daily candle would hold here, tomorrow breakout of this would be a good place for a buy, because after this accumulation we would be able to hold it even for bigger time scale. Because once more, what I think it was a trap, because when price dropped down so fast like it was here, in most cases it's a trap, because so many, just imagine how many buyers were here inside who hold buy and gold for very big period of time. And what happened? Many stop losses of buyers hit here. And for big players, breakout of this level, maybe one of the best places where they can move instrument for midterm with very low risk. That's why, once more, tomorrow breakout of this level would be really good place for buy with low, very low and predictable risks. Today, so sad, but 72% according to my strategy, I don't trade breakout on 72%. Canadian, Japanese yen. My friends, who of you trade silver? Was it useful for you? Gold. The next one is gold. The same about gold. I told about that for many people, and I would tell it to you also. Gold made the same as silver. After this accumulation, price dropped down too fast. It was too fast. Because if you would take a look on history, you would see when price really fast break out some level, some range, really too fast, like it was here, there would be also fast pullback. Only, as you can see here, gold were in this range accumulation for nearly 3 months. 3 months. And only after that, as you can see, price started powerful uptrend, really powerful uptrend, for move from 1,700 to 2,080. At this moment, I expect if there would be, especially if daily candle would close at this level, I would open buy tomorrow. For me, what will be the best? We have this local range, as you can see, it's local range. And if daily candle would close at this local range, tomorrow with gold and silver, I also will open by entry. That's how I see it. How about KC1, this coffee instrument? Okay, I watch half video of after I'm really busy. How about KC? Okay, I'm currently buying silver. What would be your risking position if you're currently buying silver? That would be the most important question. Canadian, Japanese, name it. Okay. Also, my friends, what about gold? What questions you have? Did I miss any GBP as today strong rebound? No, we didn't. We will speak about GBP in few minutes. Can you analyze British pound Japanese yen, please, sir? Yes, let's make a deal. I analyze British pound, Japanese yen, and British pound, and you smash like button for it. And subscribe on YouTube channel. Okay, British pound pairs. First, British pound USD. British pound USD broke out this accumulation. Strong breakout, very strong. What was the reason? Who knows? Maybe there were some thoughts, talks about Brexit, something like that. You would never know. But the main stuff that money flow were up. When at this moment, as you can see, price on this mirror level. To be honest, this one, it is really scary place to open any entry at this moment, because price already rose up 141% of its average daily move. If you would watch this lesson about ATR, by the way, I recommend to everyone to watch it, because there could be a chance that price would start uptrend. If daily candle would close at this high, I think the price can break it up. This channel, because as you can see, still British pound inside of this channel. Technically, price just hit border of this channel, and we have this downtrend. That's why at this moment it is not wise to open any buy position. Why? Because you would open your buy position against all this bearish movement. And also remember that here many stop losses of those who open sell in all this area. And what's important, how price will approach to that previous high. If there would be slowly approach, something like this, slowly, breakout of this could be start of uptrend. In other cases, we still have this downward movement. Is it clear for you? Do you have any additional questions? I have a question about gold today. We made another hit of lower level, 1850, etc. Can we count it as a signal for energy accumulation for further uprise? What is energy accumulation? All places where big guys would hit stop losses, pending orders of other players, it is a place for accumulation. And yes, when price, especially if price before making some move, like here on British pound, take a look here, example. Before making move, price made this trap and drop back. It is a huge example of energy accumulation. Why? Because just imagine those who hold sell position inside, they stop losses. I know that some people could set stop losses here, some people don't trade with stop losses, but believe me, most hedge funds and pro traders, they trade only with risk management. And because they have people who are up on the hierarchy and control it, and they cannot open a position without stop loss. And it was energy accumulation. After that, sellers who start selling, thought like, oh my God, trend is continuing. And here, sellers, just imagine how much sellers were here, and their stop losses when they start quitting here become a powerful buy. That's how big guys accumulate energy. It's important to hit areas where potentially could be a lot of pending orders and stop losses. That's the best examples of energy accumulation. Okay, yes, British pound, Japanese yen, and after that Apple, Tesla. My friends, yes, push like. That's the best thank you from your side. Remember it always, because you don't do it for me personally. You do it for YouTube algorithms, because when YouTube see a lot of like, comment, subscribe, it share a video to other people, and that's really the best thank you from your side. Okay, thank you a lot for answering my questions. This is very clear and useful a lot. I wish you big health and success. Thank you, Allah. So soon I will do a lesson about energy accumulation and how market really built and why price moves. I think it's important, because I did a lot of lessons about levels, but it's a fundamental, or it's a key. Money flow is a key. Always doing like for you. Thank you, Fadi. Thank you. Okay, British pound, Japanese yen, and after that Apple and Tesla. British pound, Japanese yen. British pound, Japanese yen followed British pound completely. Remember, when you have a currency pair, for example, you have three currency pair. You have British pound USD, GU. You have British pound Japanese yen, and you have USD Japanese yen. And remember, in what cases British pound Japanese yen could rise? First, GU in a flat range, UG rising, or GU rising, UG in a flat. Or in what cases British pound Japanese yen will rise dramatically? When British pound USD and USD Japanese yen moving in one direction. That's why that's always remember it. If USD Japanese yen in a range, British pound would do all job. And at this moment, energy accumulation, but that's one type of strategy which I would like to trade, but so sad I wasn't at PC. At this moment, as you can see, price made falls back out of this re high. I like to trade. It's one of my strategy. And at this moment, I think there could be pullback into this area. If there would be, if those of you, some of you open sell here, pull back to this area, it would be a good place. It would be a good trade, because if you open sell here, stop loss 20 pips, potential profit 1 to 5 minimum. To be honest, it is not best at this moment to open entry for long term here. Why? Because picture, in some case we have this down drop, we have this powerful trend, and still we don't have a clear reason why trend should change. And after this, and also we have after this accumulation this uprise. Generally, still price in this downward movement, in this down pressure. That's why at this moment I don't recommend to open any buy position at this moment. Why? Because price today already rose up 148% of its ATR. That means possibility of double ATR nearly 10%. If you would open buy at this moment, you bet on 10% that price would continue this move. Today, I mean today. That's why. If some of you open sell at that level, it's okay. In other cases, my friends, there's nothing to do. Today, there's nothing to do, to be honest. Because after this, as you can see, accumulation, there was boom. And I personally don't have this instrument on a list. I have silver. I told you about silver. I hope some of you listen about silver. And entry range for gold. What is entry for gold? Hi Yuri, could you please go through natural gas? Of course, yes, I will check it. Can you please get? I will check it, but for a start, Apple and Tesla. From my friend asked about Apple and Tesla. About Apple and Tesla, as you can see, we have. Take a look, my dear friend. Apple and Tesla. We have this. We could use this level because, as you can see, we have two daily which bounced before that, and technically there could be breakout. By the way, take a look where is the pre-market. Pre-market is here. Price already broke it. And this, as you can see, It is a U formation. U formation. Only pullback to this mirror level could be a good place for a buy. That's all. Because technically, still price in this global uptrend, and if D1 would close here, it would be a signal that this downward pullback finally broken, and that would be a signal for uptrend. Thank you for analyzing. Smash like already. Thank you, my friend. Okay, and Tesla. My friends, type into the chat, do you enjoy such analysis? Maybe you have some questions. What would, for you would be maybe the most useful in all this analysis? For me, it's important to hear your feedback. Write please right now into the chat what is the most useful part of this live stream, and what can I do better for you to make it like awesome, a rock star. The same about Tesla for other guys, as you can see, accumulation, and take a look where is pre-market. There's nothing to say because all market rising. When you write about Tesla and all other stocks, you can open S&P 500 and you would see what in general price would do, because as you can see, S&P rose up 70% of ATR. Take a look how Friday closed. S&P also, if this D1 would close at high, that means S&P finally broke this downward channel, and because of that, that could start new uprise, new up movement. And if S&P will rise up, that means all components of S&P also will rise up. That's all. Preconditions. Real GRN, what do you mean about preconditions? Tell how to determine false breakouts. I show it on my course, because my friend, you should respect me and my team. I have 8 people, all of them need salary. That's why about preconditions, all that stuff, join a course and you will get it. Preconditions, it's a key to understanding breakouts and false breakouts. That's why see you soon there and you will get it. Or you can create some promotion for us and like invite few people and we will give it to you for free. Thank you for your analysis. I'd like to have a better understanding of how to use FIBs. We don't trade on FIBs, that's all. Entry range for gold, US 30 Nasdaq. Okay, let's do. Many of you British pound, Canadian, Japanese yen. Some of you ask me about. My friends, I wait. I wait for reply from you. I wait for reply from you about what we can do better and what the most useful part for you of this live stream, because still you didn't wrote. Please, right now, do it. Canadian, Japanese yen inside of this range, and if we would take a look here, generally till price inside of this range, there's nothing to do, completely nothing to do. We have this key level, as you can see on bigger time frame. You can see we have this level. And only we have 2 places at which we can open a position. First one, it is here, if there would be a false breakout of this level, or if there would be slowly come back to this level and break out of this, it's the 2 places where you can open a trade. At this moment, price in the middle on this range. Generally, a range and down this trend after this accumulation. That means generally price should continue. But I would personally will open entry only in these 2 cases. At this moment, there is no entry point. You do analysis in perfect way, answering questions, keeping the feedbacks, everything is clearly explained and supports with levels. I share it with my colleagues. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. That's the best. You're the best, Allah. What else? Some of you wrote about natural gas. Natural gas, please. Natural gas. Natural gas. Natural gas started uptrend. It looks like a winter is coming, but natural gas made a false breakout of this low. It looks like a few seconds. What about natural gas? What's the main difference between natural gas and other instruments which we trade? It's a commodity. Commodity always has supply and demand, real supply and demand. And that always depends on season. For example, if there's a strong winter with like minus 30 degrees in North America, in Europe, that means price of natural gas would rise up, because North America and Europe, it's the biggest they consume the biggest amount of gas in the world, also in China. At this moment, there is no entry point. Why? Because the entry point were only at false breakout of this low. We had a clear entry point with low and predictable risk. What I don't like on natural gas, that as you can see, this accumulation happened before this level, many pips before, and price sharply hit it. It doesn't show that they are for a healthy uprise. Also, oil at this moment in a range, and oil didn't start uprise. That's why I think there could be a pullback inside of this range on a gas. If you open any position, your risk stop losses must be above, and just set these stop losses, because everything can happen. There could be a war, a burst in Qatar, or Kuwait. What happened? That's why always remember that stuff when you trade commodity. If some manufacturer, some drone will attack, like it was on Saudi Arabia previous year, there would be a problems with that commodity. But in general, you also can trade it technically at powerful levels like this one. That's why at this moment it looks it would drop back. After that, we will see on next webinar. Come on next webinar, and I'll do also my thoughts. Most useful part for sure, how you carefully analyze the major instruments, and especially the one you on a list. At this moment, I have on a list silver. To be honest, silver my priority on the list, but it's so sad. It's already rose up 84% of its ATR. It's so sad. Because if silver, at this moment we have two cases. If silver will come back here, tomorrow we would trade breakout, or if there would be silver would close here, tomorrow pull back to this area, we would trade uprise. That's all what we will do on silver. But it depends what gold will do. If gold also will stop at this level and will stop for a night, for accumulation, for such accumulation, and will break only tomorrow, that also would be a good, they will move together. They will move together, and very beautiful. They would do it very, very beautiful. Thanks a lot, that was helpful. You're welcome. People learn your levels, do money management, and you see good results of trade. That's why I love this video. About it's not my levels, it's levels which price showed. I didn't create it, those levels. Price bounced from it. It is not by my hand. I just show a point on it. That's all. Okay, my dear friend, British pound, we did it. Seemed like a good entry to buy. Thanks, Yuri. Canadian, but it's a buy for Canadian Japanese. I told it's in a range. Breakout of a range up could be a good entry. Yuri, can you please have which color it? Euro Japanesian. Euro Japanesian. Euro Japanese yen, to be honest, I had it on a list. I waited for, as you can see, price were in this range, But take a look what happened. Price made this powerful false breakout, and if daily would close at this high, that means there could be uprise. Better would be if there would be something like this, absorption. It calls absorption. If there would be such absorption, pull back to this level could be a good up, because at this moment we're still in this downward trend. And when you open a trade, it would be, if you open buy, it would be against this trend. But after this range accumulation and this trap, there could be a good movement. I wait where D1 would close. It's important that daily candle would close at its high or even above all of this. Only that would be a healthy appointment that price would make uprise. Okay, Euro Japanese and we covered. Oh, and Euro USD. Of course, Euro USD, we should speak about Euro USD. What's the main point of Euro USD? First, price broke down all of this big range, this accumulations. That means, just imagine how many sellers were happy here, because so many people who open sell so happy. But as you know, there would be places where there would be their break-evens. If price would hit their break-evens here, and after that there would be no reaction down, that means someone absorbed all of this volume, and because of that there could be start of uprise. Remember, once more, only such absorption could be a start of uprise. Why? Because after this accumulation, big guys accumulated huge energy and huge volume, and there is no reason for buy, because there could be buy only if some big guys accumulated energy in other side. Yes, we have a long-term uptrend, but take a look how it was completely different. We had every low higher, 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 but here no. That means technically Euro USD still down, looks down, but only in a case if daily candle would break it and would close above, that would be a signal for uprise. Thanks, Yuri. You're welcome. My dear friends, ask your questions which you have about trading at this moment. Also, a few words. Many of you ask me about different stuff, how to analyze market properly, how to be at this moment. You can join our Discord VIP alerts room, where you will get first forex alerts, crypto alerts, trading plans. On nearly on everyday basis I record best instruments which we can trade. At this moment it is crypto and forex market, so soon there would be stock market. Trading analysis, also my best patterns which I trade, chart, it is for students, only those who bought education. Also different topics which we discuss. At this moment, if you want to join all this awesome room for growth, here you should write to my team and ask about participation. Those who will join today will get some free stuff for free from me. Maybe it would be ATR indicator if you will join 1 year package. That's why right now to there and ask my team about that Yuri promised the ATR indicator if I would join for 1 year. 1848 is a key level for gold. $18.48. It is a low of this accumulation. About gold, once more, if D1 would close inside, tomorrow there could be breakout and continue of uprise. It would be really awesome if it would happen tomorrow, because price rose up too fast. There is no enough accumulation. It is a border of this range, because here, yes, it's a good place, because below this many stop losses and pending orders, and it is a key place, but it is not the most powerful place on the chart. What are the instruments? Also, my friends, Right now, smash like button, open our TradingView page. Also, subscribe on TradingView page. Subscribe on Telegram page. Here is a link. You should subscribe. Also, my Twitter account. If for you it's suitable, read us in Twitter. Also, my Instagram page. Subscribe on my Instagram page. All of that stuff you will get here. Right now, I recommend you to use all of this stuff. Okay. And I could forgot it. At this moment, use this tab link because what you will get. Open this tab link, and here you will find a link. As you can see, you open it, and free course for.
Hi everyone, my name is Yuri.
Open it and join our free course. You will need to, or you can use this one. Here I made a free course. If some of you didn't attend, I recommend you to attend, because after that you will understand how to build your own approach, your own strategy. It's important. Few words about crypto market. My friends, what questions you have right now? Write your questions. Few words about crypto, orange list. Crypto. Okay. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance hit this level. I thought there would be breakout and Bitcoin would make a skyrocket, but technically, as you can see, still it bounced back. That means at this moment, altcoins and Bitcoin would have nearly same moves. Another one, total market cap. Continue its uprise. Bitcoin at this moment, as you can see, inside of this local accumulation. What does it mean for this? Breakout of this could make powerful uprise. Why? Because if you would open lower time frame, you would see that here price hit powerful order, and after that make a pullback. If after such powerful down drop, price came back exactly to that place, that means we have good and powerful buyer. And breakout of this could be a good place for continue, because still it is only nearly half ATR. It is 52% of its ATR, and after that, after this local level, as you can see, this local level, and this one, after this accumulation, local accumulation, price can continue at least moving to previous high. All subscribed, Yuri. Thank you. Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum follow Bitcoin, but still at this moment there is no beautiful place for entry. I have alert here, a pullback and false breakout of this level would be a good place for entry. About crypto, I will not stand for a big period of time. Previous low. As you can see, price in this small range for a few days. If there would be continue of such accumulation, breakout could be a good place for continue of uprise. Ripple also, as you can see, after this accumulation started its uprise. Ripple follow Bitcoin at this moment. Also continue its uprise. Not beautiful. Link Bitcoin in accumulation inside. Link Bitcoin also inside of accumulation. If price slowly will come back to this level, to this previous low by this candle, that means possibility of breakout would be really huge. How should it looks? If price would create such triangle, a breakout of this could be a good place for a buy. Because Bitcoin moving up and momentum at this moment, we have up momentum. Also, as you can see, price broke it, but it looks like it was very weak. No, it is not beautiful. Better avoid such instrument. I would not speak a lot about instruments which I don't like. Cardano finally started its uptrend. As you can see, after this powerful down drop, Cardano started uptrend. But the main question, where is good entry point? So sad, but today price already hit that entry point. As you can see, a level from which price made a real low. Bounced it before and how it reacted here. As you can see, how price bounced from this place here. But still there is no entry point at this moment. So sad. By the way, take a look how price did this stuff. It's example for you of things which should you looking for. Daily close exactly at high after real low, and after breakout and boom. Because many people who open positions here, buyers and sellers, their stop losses become a powerful fuel. Binance. Not beautiful. On crypto, I will not pay. I will not stop for a big period of time. As you can see, we have this local level, daily, free daily candle bounce from it. Good additional accumulation. If there would be something like this, price would stand additionally for some period of time. Breakout of this could be good buy, good entry for long. It is, what was the instrument? It was dash. It was dash. Okay. My friends, what questions you have? Because at this moment I just analyze instrument and show to you what to trade. For better communication, we need questions. We need you ask questions and I answer on it. Real low, false breakout. That means. As you can see daily on paranormal, close exactly at level and take a look how it after that it rose up. But at this moment there is no way trade. Breakout already happened, but how price reacted on a level? Bounced. Omni came back. Yeah, Omni came back. So I would send it to my assistant because a few days ago I sent to him this. Everyone could open some trades. Okay, that's all. Okay, Bitcoin at this moment looks bullish if this accumulation slowly accumulate and break out. In that case, Bitcoin will look bullish. Okay. What questions? My dear, what about dollar index and what is your vision? Okay, USD Japanese yen and dollar index. About British pound Japanese yen we already spoke, that's why my friend we already did it. Where is USD index, dollar index? Dollar index bounced off from this level. Take a look how it bounced accurately. And technically price closed at this below. If daily would close below all of this, better if there would be such absorption. If there would be such absorption, breakdown, there could be continued down drop because generally still price in this downward trend, and it's important where it would hit. And USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen in a range, 1 to 3 days in a range, price in the middle of all of this accumulation. I don't like to trade Japanese yen because there is no powerful movement, there is no one trend direction moves. You can open entries only at such levels and that's all. In other cases you can see price inside of a range. I prefer to skip Japanese yen because there is nothing beautiful inside. Okay, my friends, at this moment, S&P USD, S&P 500. Okay, let's do S&P 500. It would be the last one, the last warrior, and we finish, my friend. It would be the last one. About S&P 500. As you can see, still price in this downward channel. As you can see, we have two days which closed at high. Friday at high. It's good when Friday closed at high. If today daily also would close at high, that would be a signal that finally there could be a U formation. U, something like this, something like here, as you can see. U formation, it is really good example after which price can make such movement like it was here. That's why if there would be something like this, that means uptrend will continue. Okay, my dear, right now, smash like button, share it with other people. After this, write in comment something interesting, your thoughts about this stream. And see you soon. Don't forget to open Instagram, Twitter, Telegram, TradingView. Read us where it's suitable for you. Thank you for your time. Bye.